If you want to extract a whole, or a part of a video, you can do it easily in PotPlayer, without using special software. Play the media file in the PotPlayer. Set the point for recording the video. Right-click in the PotPlayer. Point over to the video. Video recording. Record video. Set the storage folder. If required, split recording based on length or size. Select the output video format. Video speed, codecs, bitrate, and other settings. When all is set, click the Start button to record the video. Clicking the Stop button will create a video file. When done, click Close. The extracted videos will be saved in the specified storage folder.